Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring USDC from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet is a smart move for better security and control over your assets. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently and without any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some USDC in it, and your Arculus wallet should be installed on your device with a funded account. Double-check that your Arculus wallet is connected to the right blockchain network, typically Ethereum for USDC. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and go to your dashboard. Find your USDC balance under the Assets tab. Once you're there, click on Send or Withdraw. It's usually straightforward. Next, in step 2, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial, so grab your Arculus wallet address. Open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the USDC specific address. Paste it into the Coinbase send form, and double-check for any typos to avoid losing your funds. Step 3. Specify the amount. Decide how much USDC you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once entered, review the details carefully. Now, for step 4, confirm the transaction. Coinbase will prompt you for two-factor authentication, so enter your code or approve it via your Auth app. Hit send, and watch the magic happen. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Finally, once it's done, head back to your Arculus wallet to verify the transfer. You should see your USDC arrive safely. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. There you have it. That's how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Arculus wallet in 2025. It's easier than it sounds, and it puts you in control of your crypto. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.